I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper of the day for Monday, December 20th. All right, guess what we got? We got a new dark pool level from Friday, quadruple witching Friday. 10.5 million, that's pretty big. 464.89. Yeah, so we talked about what happened if we close below all those heavy dark pool prints, and we did on Friday. So hope you guys put some protection on. Today we're going to be bullish just for a day trade retracement. Went kind of higher up. I didn't like those levels. So much traffic to the upside, but bullish above 457.50, bear below 453. All right, on the SPY. Let's head on over to the Russell. We had a new level on the IWM, 4.3 million at 213.30. So we're going to be bullish above that, 214.53. There was a pivot in the way there. Actually, there's a dark pool level in the way, not a pivot. Yep, this dark pool level, I'm using this to go bullish above. And bear below 211. All right, let's head on over to the NASDAQ. QQQ, we're going to be bullish above 381.50. So there was room for a nice retracement trade here to the 4 EMA, so I mapped that out. Bear below 377. All right, if we can't hold this 100 simple moving average, which is the green line, we're going to come down to this dashed purple line. The 120 simple is very powerful. There will be computers loaded to buy there, so great target. First target, if we go below that, look out below. We'll probably head on down to this 161 EMA in silver. All right, let's head on over to the futures. The E-minis, we'll start with that. Bullish above 45.65 and bearish below 45.40. Lots of room to go if we cannot hold on to this Camarilla right there. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Okay, by the way, I'm using the March 22 futures here. And we're going to be bullish above 15.625. And we're going to be bearish below 15,500. Again, look, there's a big drop of the. This is going to be support, but if we don't hold that, all right, look out below. I skipped the oil futures. I didn't love the upside trade. The downside trade, yeah, I just couldn't map out the upside. Absolutely, if we do break below 67, look out below for those oil futures. But let's head on over to gold. Gold, I went pretty high. Didn't really love this trade either, but bullish above 1805, bear below 1790. We'll see if that moves. Bitcoin futures are down a little bit. We're going to be bullish above 46,800. All right, I went pretty high up there, and bear below 45,500. Yeah, if we don't hold this support, you see we came down here and held. Yeah, if we go below that, look out below. All right, let's head on over to the individual stocks. AMC, lots of volume. And we tagged that 20 EMA yesterday, on Friday, I should say, and we pulled back. Sellers came in, and this is a very popular pattern. They brought it down to the 4 EMA, and we've popped up a little bit. So bullish above 28.50 and bearish below 27 for AMC today. Let's head on over to NVIDIA. Yeah, below those massive dark pool prints. We talked about that. If it can't hold this 50 simple moving average, and it looks like it's not. Looks like it wants to head down to this next guy down here at 250. But for the day trade, bullish above 272.50 for a possible retracement trade to this peanut butter and jelly. Or we're going to be bearish below 269.75, which we just triggered. Okay, let's head on over to Apple. Apple, we're going to be bullish above 169.50. That's a retracement trade. You know, if there's enough room, I'm going to do a retracement back up here, or, you know, to peanut butter and jelly there. And we're going to be bearish All right, we're going to be bearish below 167. Let's head on over to Tesla. Okay, Tesla. We're going to be bullish above 937.50. This is a trade to test the dark pool, that 952.05, just for a day trade. All right, I'm only going to be bullish on Tesla for a swing if we close above this massive level. This was 900,000. That's like really big. We're going to be bearish below 910 for Tesla. Let's go to Moderna. That was like shooting up like a rocket this morning. Lots of room to go if we can break above 320. That's key level right there. $5 increments are where computers are loaded to sell. We hit it. You can see, look at the volume that popped up. Yep. But if we test it again and there's less sellers and we can break through, then I can see a bigger trade up to the 120 SMA. But we're going to be bearish below 312.50 for a retracement trade. 310, another good level to use for an entry if you missed the first one on the short side. AT&T. All right, AT&T. Bullish above 24.20 for AT&T. So the trade I'm looking at is to this 50 simple moving average. There will be sellers the first time around. If it pulls back, 25 minutes later it tests it and breaks above it, then there's a bigger trade. Bear below 23. I went pretty far down. I didn't like any other trades, but Ford already triggered, and Paul, aka the alien, already took a trade on this. Nice job, Paul. Bullish above 20, and bear. We've been waiting a really long time for this trade. It's finally happening. Yeah, was it in consolidation, accumulation going up, or distribution going down? We're below the recent print, so bearish below 1940, and hit our first target pretty quickly right there. Watch 19, 20, or 25 area for another entry. All right, let's head on over to Carnival. I don't know. People going to be taking cruises? I'm not sure about that. Bullish above 1920, bear below 1750. Is this a dreaded H? Looks like it could be. Watch this. 17 is pretty key as well. The first trade is down to it, but if it can't break, if it can't hold that, yeah, that's when things can get really ugly. And we are below recent dark pool activity. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for Monday, December 20th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.